Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Cottagecore water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, I'm going to be using the HoloTaco Cottagecore Collection. The dark green is Touch Grass. The lighter green is Time After Time. The blue is Skipping Stones. The purple is Wild Child. The darker pink is Nip in the Bud. The lighter pink is Rosemary Kill. For a base color, I'm going to be using not Milky White, and then to top the entire thing off, I'm going to be using Garden Party Taco. Once I have the base color applied, I'm going to go ahead and protect around my nails using tape as well as liquid latex. As usual for a water marble, I'll be working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye's built, I'm going to try and make sure it's anchored to the sides. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw in a flower design. Once I'm done with the design, I'm going to go ahead and line up my nails. I'm going to try to avoid that very center where I left a little bit of a hole. And then I'm going to dunk in. With my orange stick, I'm going to reach in and clean up any excess polish. Then I'm going to slowly pull my fingers out, remove the protection, and move on to the rest of my nails. Once I'm done marbling all my nails, I'm going to clean up with a Q-tip for any larger areas as well as underneath my nail. Then moving in for closer cleanup with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to add a layer of Garden Party Taco, but in order to not obscure the water marble, I'm actually going to be avoiding the flowers. After the topper's been applied, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I wasn't originally sure if all 6 of the colors would work together in the water, but I was pleasantly surprised once I started testing. And I wasn't exactly sure which colors I would use for the Skittles on my accent nail hand, but I just waited until the water marble was finished and then chose the ones that were kind of most prominent on the nail. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate this topper. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.